Have you ever worried someone else might have access to your hosting account? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change your Hostgator cPanel password step by step so you can secure your site in minutes. To start, open your browser and go to hostgator.com. Look at the top right corner and click Sign In. On the login page, enter your Hostgator username and password to access your account. If you don't remember your login details, there's a reset option right there. Once you're inside the Hostgator dashboard, you'll see all your hosting tools in one place. From the top menu, click on Website. This section holds the settings and controls for everything you've hosted. On the website page, look for the Settings option and click it. Inside Settings, find the Advanced tab. This is where Hostgator hides some of the deeper account controls. Click Advanced, then select Manage. Now you should see a section called Password and Security. This is the area that controls your Cpanel access. Click into it and look for Change Password. You'll now be able to create your new cPanel password. Make it strong, use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and aim for at least 8 characters. Type it in, confirm it, and then save your changes. That's all it takes. Your cPanel password has been updated successfully. If you use a password manager, don't forget to update it with the new login details. Thanks for watching. If this helped you secure your Hostgator account, feel free to check out my other tutorials for more quick fixes and hosting tips.